Ilungani Kevin Oyuko. Ilikuwa tamu sana. Imetufurahisha, imetuchekesha. Momoro wa ber kabisa.
ONAGI Show Siaya edition. Tunataka kujua kama utakuja.
Mungu akinijalia na uhai, kwa hiyo wakati nitafika. Siwezi kosa.
Anilungani David. Okay. One, this is my first time Bire Shoni and I'm so impressed. Expectation now be met because I had a chance to interact with a number of comedians, local comedians, very talented comedians, and it was an wholesome show. So impressed. Nitatangulia Siaya, mtanipata Siaya. So asanteni sana, you guys are doing an amazing job. Na muendelee hivyo tufurahie. Unajua mambo ni mengi and vitu kama hizi ndo zinatupia motisha, pia zinafanya tunacheka, ile stress inatoka, vitu kama hiyo. So we are so impressed with you guys, your team. You're doing an amazing job. Thank you.
Mimi niko sawa, na feel vizuri sana. Yaani na feel fiti. Juu kuna vitu zingine nimeona kwa maisha yangu, sikuwa najua hata kama nitaona.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Ruth, labda utuambie tu wewe unaitwa nani?
Mimi ni songa. Umejua I have to appreciate. Kuna mahali kuna step nilitolewa nikaingia step nyingine. Sasa na appreciate sana kitu kama hii. Mimi sijawahi ona kwa maisha yangu. Sasa iko sawa na nimeshukuru Mungu sana kwa siku ya leo. Hata naomba Mungu sana, mtu alitengeneza hii kitu, hii show ya leo, ampe nguvu, ampe kila kitu, atengeneze ingine tena turudi, tufanye ndiye Wakenya wengine pia wajue kitu inaendelea.
Kabisa. Na tuko na show ingine moto tena next month on Friday, the first Friday of the month. Sijui kama utakuja, tutakuwa kule side za Siaya County.
Sasa mimi kitu nasema, kama bado natembea kwa hii dunia, Mungu amenipea nguvu, nitaenda. Sitakosa kuenda. Na tena mimi kama Kedi Songa, mimi natoka South Nyanza, sijawahi kanyaga Siaya. Itakuwa mara yangu ya kwanza tena kukanyaga Siaya.
Umekaribishwa sana na tutataka kukuona huko.
Sawa. Tena nitajaribu sana nione kwa baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Sawa, asante.
I'm Virginia.
So how have you found the show, ONAGI Show, so far?
It's so entertaining. I laughed. I'm so tired of laughing.
Nice. As they say, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Yeah, it's a good place after a long day of work, coming and releasing all the tiredness and stress when you're going through issues. When you just come in and have it all. Oh yeah. So more about Shofco is that we are working with the community, and we are community-led organization. So our main focus is empowering the communities so that they can be self-sustaining, they can have sustainable livelihoods, and specifically my biggest focus on women, because also I work with the Shofco, and it's women economic empowerment and youth empowerment. So we are having programs where we are empowering youths on how to get jobs, where to get jobs. We have trainings. We also connect them to available opportunities. So women, we also give them skilling so they can also become breadwinners in their families or substitute the income which is coming to their family. And also we give them different other platforms where they can also be heard. And also they can be included in the development. Yeah.
Nice. So on next month, the first Friday, we'll also be holding the ONAGI Show in Siaya County. So I just want to know, utakuwa na sisi kule ndani ama?
I can't miss. Yeah, I'll be there.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello guys, I also got to talk to one of our very own comedians, and let's hear what he has to say.
My name is Okal Comedian. The show was awesome. We had a very interactive audience. We loved them, and I think going on forward we want more audience to come over. Lazima nifike Siaya Kababa. Lazima tufike huko. The only town with one roundabout. Lazima tufike hapo.
Awesome. Sawa. Asante sana.
Asante.
I'm Snyder from Dr. Shem Rakewa Dental.
So how have you found the show so far?
It was amazing and with a lot of progress since the first show. And we pray for more progress as it goes by.
Can you tell us a bit something small about
Dr. Shem Rakewa, located both in Nairobi and Kisumu. In Kisumu we are at Mega City, and in Nairobi we are at Freedom Heights Mall in Langata, mezzanine floor. So we welcome each and every person, we accept all insurance, and we are negotiable. You come, we talk, we assist you in each and everything that you need.
Okay,
The show was good. The show makawona ne bera hinya. At least we've seen for a long time. I've been wanting na adwaro ganeno joluo aka act kamano, but at least kawono we've really tried, and as much as actors madongo dongo bobiro kamora achiel, at least we appreciate. Mano nyiso ni wan kanyakla ka onagi.
Iluongo Diero Jamjengo.
Koro kawono ineno show ni nene nade?
Show kaka ne an one of the artists, show bedo maber sana. Show bedo maber, ji mor, watimo show mamit, ji onyiero, to ji obiro mang'eny. So show bedo maduong' sana. Siaya County wadhi kendo wadhi kero kete malo. Hapa juu kabisa moto. Koro wadhi timo Siaya malo.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, and you are very beautiful.
Dio Jawbwanda, Imodong, Wadwan Tim Kinda. So, what is Siaya? From Siaya, Homa Bay. From Homa Bay, we are going to United States.
Wow, hey, that's nice. That is really nice.
My name is David from Trav Interactive. So, we are very happy to be here.
So, how have you found the show? Like, quite interesting, mecheka.
Very engaging. I laughed like more than the previous time. So we are certainly going to be here more and more.
Nice. So kuna hii ingine next month taking place Siaya. Sijui kama utakuwa.
Lazima. Sport yetu iko guaranteed. We are definitely going to be there. We are looking at continuing with the program, continuing with the sponsorship, and just encouraging more people. We want, it's not like we are blocking other sponsors from coming in, so we want more sponsors to come in so we can make ONAGI Show a bigger, better thing. Our company is called Trav Interactive. We are a first of its kind travel agency. So we are basically a travel marketing agency and a travel agency. So we do both tours and travel. If you want to go to local destinations, Kina Mombasa, we have packages as cheap as 5,000 bob. So there's no reason for mtu kusema hizi and a vacation. So sahi kuna vacation ya 5,000 bob for 2 nights. So that is basically 2,500 bob per night. Unaona? So there's no reason why mtu haizi and a vacation sahi. So we try to make it cheaper, we try to make it more affordable so that everyone, including me, anaweza enda safari.
I'm Kachali.
So how have you found the show so far?
The show is very nice. Nimeona kama improvement imekuwa, watu wametoka east west, watu wamekuja kwa umati. Show iko sawa.
Anu ono jai wodala. Mar kenda kawo Yesu kaka jawar mar ngimana. Awuda sego kanyada. Ridore olo.
Mano ber. Koro inyalo ngisowa gimoro matin about the show.
Show ber. Onge gima mora maloyo ni onagi biro kanyakla to wamor kanyakla wanyiero wajibamba. Koro show to ber, and we are seeing the show going to greater heights. Koro show amorgo. Koro Siaya kababa wabiro Mr. Mbalamwezi biro wabiro kill the show.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you so much for your time.
Asante sana. Onagi wamoruru kanyakla. Thank you so much.
Ana Joan Junior. Shomo kawuono neno kodhi maber nikech kaka wan achiel kuom oganda ikimane chiwo mor ne oganda. Aneno ka bende ji onyiero ma ogoro lek gi nyiso ni show ber maber mokalo. Aparo ni abiro bedo kanyo mondo bende amor moloyo to jogo ikima wuok e jotelo wacho ma Siaya gino na abiro chopo kanyo mondo amigi mor mokalo.
Thank you so much for your time.
Asante sana.
We also have one of our sponsors. Labda tuambie jina yake na kama amefind the show interesting. How are you?
Fine, thank you. My name is Gidi from Vigingi, Africa.
So can you maybe tell us a bit about your company?
Vigingi Africa is a company that deals with poles, recycled plastic poles. We take the plastics, recycle them to make poles that we use in fencing, the shambas. We can also use the poles to make tables and beautiful chairs for gazebos. Yeah.
Sasa mimi personally nimecheka. Sijui kama umeenjoy show ama
Nimecheka sana sana. Actually, the Otoyo was telling me he's loved my energy. He's loved my positivity. He told me inside there, like, I've loved, I've laughed, I've danced, I've enjoyed the show so much. Yeah.
I hope next month Siaya County utakuwa.
I'm a member and I'm a member. I will go with the ONAGI Show wherever it goes. This is our thing. Nyakawamor Wajger ONAGI Kanyakla.
Lisa, thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Jackie Diva. The show is so fantastic. In fact, I enjoyed from the beginning to the end. Don't look at late, but I really enjoyed the show.
Okay, sawa. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Benny.
Okay, so how have you found the show, the ONAGI Show?
It is so much fun. I've really enjoyed the laughter and everything. You know, it has been fun.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
We have another comedian over here from Kisumu. I just want you guys to know him as well.
Anilungani Martin Otieno.
So Martin Otieno, show ni odinade.
Gini wagoga ONAGI nyaka nyier mane class mwakete kaka wapandisha gangasno onge dok piny. Yeah. Tunafika Siaya lazima ile keki ya roundabout tukate katikati.
Kabisa. Sawa, asante sana.
Asante pia. Haya.
Naitwa Ndogo Junior.
Experience yako imekuwaje na show?
Nimefurahia sana.
Mimi naitwa Lensa Nyasuba. Kababa audition. Kanyo wadhichopo kababa kanyo mawang ni jo kababa lazima watoe hiyo cake ya roundabout. After hiyo show roundabout josia ya ikre uru roundabout igero numa duong tarali. Yeah, you are welcome jodala.
Maros T-boy. Show makauono so kwa Kijaluo so si ile ya 100 imekuwa poa and we just love it. It's bringing happiness and it's bringing that unity. So we just love ONAGI Show. Yeah. That's homeland. Iyo ni kwetu. Siaya kababa mane dalawa. So how can I miss? Na in fact nikimiss hiyo siku hiyo kama sitakuwa nitakuwa city muchari. If I miss it I will be in city muchari. So obvious I have to be there.
I'm good. Naitwa Beatrice Akinyi. Stage name Mukinyo Blackcurrant. Nimefurahi sana kwa kukuja kwa show ya leo. Nimeenjoy, tumemeet watu wengi, it was fun. At least mingle, tumejua watu wengine. Nafurahi sana wenye hawako attend, show ilikuwa poa. Next time msikose, kama mtu hawezi fika Siaya, tutakuwa Nairobi mwezi wa 7 mkuje.
Kabisa. Thank you so much.
Karibu.
It was awesome. You know, we took a break last month. ONAGI Show happens every month, every first Friday of the month. So last month we went to Kisumu. So we were never there for our Nairobi people because it started in Nairobi. The first show, the second show, the third show happened in Nairobi. The fourth one we went to Kisumu. So this was like a comeback to the city because we had gone away and now we were coming back to our people. And we thank God that they have turned out in large numbers. The hall was full. They were so amazing as usual and we really thank them for that.
Nice. Yeah. Thank you so much. Sasa hii Siaya County, what have you planned for us? Ama ni surprise tukuje tujione.
No, we have a lot of good things. As usual, the first thing we look at good artists. We make sure that every artist who is there will make them laugh. Si wewe umebambika?
Sana.
Artist we put on the show, we make sure that the team that we have, the artists are there to entertain people and to make sure that everyone who pays their money to come to the show is able to laugh and enjoy their money. So that is the first thing. Siaya, we already have a team, amazing crazy team, and of course the venue is awesome. The ambience, the venue is so cool, it's serene, and it has all the facilities that someone can need. And even if you travel from Nairobi to go attend the show in Siaya, you are sure they will give you accommodation, they will give you everything that you need. That is at Distinction Gardens. So Siaya is awesome and it is already prepared for. It's going to be big.
Yes. Thank you so much. Acha tutajitayarisha vizuri kukuja kucheka.
Yeah. So it's going to be big. It's going to be big, and of course niko hapa pia na manager wangu anaitwa Rogers. He is one of the guys who make sure that everything is big and everything works in place every time we plan to do something. So he will also just say a word as we continue.
Of course show me kwa tu poa binye kwa all along kwa tu poa kila siku na ungapoa.
Thank you so much for coming to ONAGI Show. It has been amazing, it has been lit. This was the 5th edition. Tukutane pale Siaya County for the 6th edition. I've been your host, Ruth Akoth.